Baking soda has many benefits in the garden. Here are my top 6. Number 1. Weed Killer. Sprinkle baking soda on top of younger weeds. This works best on a dry and sunny day. Reapplying multiple times may be necessary over several days. Baking soda works by drying out the plant, which kills it. Be cautious with baking soda around the plants in your garden. Number 2. Increasing the pH. Some plants prefer alkaline, or slightly alkaline soil. These plants include beets, lavender, sweet peas, thyme, and more. If the soil's pH is too low, sprinkle a slight amount of baking soda on the surface, and water it in. Avoid applying too much, as this can harm the plants. Number 3. Fungus Control. To make this solution, you'll need 1 cup of water, baking soda, soap, and a spray bottle. Pour the water into the spray bottle, along with 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and a drop or 2 of liquid soap. Then mix it. Spray the solution onto leaves affected with fungal diseases, such as powdery mildew. This solution should help treat, or slow the spread of these diseases. Number 4. Preserving cut flowers. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to your vase of flowers, and mix it. This will help keep the flowers alive for longer, as baking soda slows down decomposition. Number 5. Compost Freshener. If your compost is smelling unpleasant, sprinkle some baking soda onto it, and mix it around. This will help to neutralize some of these odors. However, make sure not to overdo the baking soda, as it can slow down the composting process. Number 6. Deter pests. Sprinkle some baking soda around the base of plants, where pests are an issue. This can help deter pests, such as slugs and snails, ants, and even aphids. Baking soda can also be used to clean garden tools, or to remove pesticide residue from store-bought produce. Whenever you use baking soda in the garden, always make sure not to use too much, as it can be harmful to plants.